Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canva Brand Kit for color palettes and font locking step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, look for the Brand Kit option on the left side of the screen. Click on Brand Kit to access branding features. Click on the Try Pro button to start the subscription process. You will be directed to the pricing page where you can choose between monthly or annual plans. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After choosing your plan, click on the Continue button to proceed. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, click on the Start Subscription button to finalize your purchase. After subscribing, you will be redirected back to your brand kit. Now you can add your logo, color palettes, and fonts. To create a color palette, click on Colors within the brand kit. Choose your primary and secondary colors using the Color Picker tool. You can input specific hex codes or pick from the color wheel. Once satisfied, click on the Add button to save your color palette. To lock fonts, navigate to the Fonts section of the brand kit. Click on Add a font to upload a custom font or choose from the available options. Select your preferred font for headers and body text. Make sure to click the lock icon next to each font for consistent use. Review your brand kit settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Your Canva Brand Kit is now ready to use with locked color palettes and fonts. Start creating consistent and professional designs with your new brand kit settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.